Before our sex scene, I took 2 Pepto-Bismol.
During our sex scene, I felt your dick rubbing into me.
You are so old that your publicist is a registered nurse.
You have so much fake hair that if you commit a crime, the CSI lab would probably convict some Ukrainian girl.
Your beard is so thin. Oh, I can't talk about my pubes. You are so bad at acting that the cast of Saved by the Bell feels sorry for you.
I recently told you that you act like Adele sings. I hate Adele.
You are so falsely strong that if I was given a choice of you or your wife to protect me, I would choose Anna.
Why did they call it Joy?
I really loved you in Everwood. Said no one ever.
I can't think of anything bad about you.
Stop. No, don't you psych me out.
I like
Shut
you.
your mouth.
I like you so
Shut up.
much.
You are so stupid.
It's a shame.
That your 3-year-old son has probably taught you everything you know. Where do you keep your Oscar?
That was really good. You were given an Oscar for Best Actress. You would also get one for being the worst. I think I just lost about 20 points on that one. You really got me on the ropes.
You are such a bad guy. I don't have anything. You are so dumb that I consciously make an effort not to use compound words or words more than 3 syllables.
How does it feel being in the stupidest Marvel movie?